This is Dr. Pete from Trade Rounds with an active trade and a good teaching opportunity that I thought I would share with you. So this is the hourly chart of Facebook, which is having a nice breakout today. And in looking at the hourly chart, you could see some signs of strength here with this wide-ranging bar on pretty good volume down here that broke above the high of this very high volume bar here, which I thought was quite bullish. Now, since the bar and price action got quite extended above the 20-period moving average, you'll often see a pullback or consolidation, which is exactly what happened. You saw the stock churn for several hours and then attempt to make a move back, a false start. This looked very promising in the second to last hour yesterday, and I actually took a trade here because it engulfed the prior bar. The volume was good down here, and it looked like it was ready to go, but the last hour, as you probably know, finished very poorly, and I exited wanting to see new evidence today of where we were headed, as this seemed to be somewhat bearish to me. Now, we opened up quite strongly on very good volume, and you see the stock break out in the first hour with the open in the middle of this high volume down bar and closing above that. I don't like to play breakouts. I generally like to play breakouts with pullbacks, but this is one that's probably just going to go. And when you break above these two high volume bars, you really need to get in, which is exactly what I did. And you can see the stock has run nicely for me. This is a several day trade. I think the daily chart looks good. I think Facebook is moving on to new highs, and I will update you on this trade at another time. Hope your trading day is going well.